Try this refreshing margarita with a twist. Today we're making spicy green grape margaritas. First, let's prepare the glass. Rub a lime wedge around the edge of a margarita glass and then dip it in the chili lime seasoning. This margarita starts with frozen grapes from California, which are very easy to make. Just rinse and freeze for at least 2 hours. To make the margarita, blend the frozen green grapes, tequila, orange liqueur, lime juice, and jalapeno slices. As you can see, it has a beautiful light green color. Pour the margarita into the chili lime rimmed glass. Garnish the glass with additional grapes and slices of jalapeños. This fruity, sweet, tart, spicy, and refreshing margarita is sure to be a hit on your bar menu. This recipe and others can be found at ciaprochef.com/grapes.